Is Alex Nolan here, and I'm gonna give you like another thing to do with Notepad. And this will actually probably be the end of this series with Notepad because it's really meant to like have messages like help or something like that, not like making the Matrix fake hack. I'm just gonna say the Matrix real quick. Hopefully I did this in the last video. Like all that other stuff. It's not actually really meant for that, but anyway, here's actually another you can do. This is super simple. Dot capital LOG, all caps. File, just do that. Save as. You can actually literally do whatever you want. Like I'm just going to do KK. I don't even know. Save. Okay, and this is actually gonna be a diary. It's actually really awesome. So I'm just gonna put hello. This is Alex. Sorry for that message. I'm actually running on low computer battery, but ignore that and save. And hopefully when I reopen it, yep, time is day. It actually hasn't changed the dating, so I'm just gonna try do it one more time to show that it actually does change the day time. Let's just wait a minute. So I hope you're actually enjoying this video and the series, but I might actually go on how to do a secret message. I mean secret folder next, to put that in. But let's try now. Okay. Oh, there we go. 6:15. That's why I wanted to show you guys that. And like I said, you can put this in like a secret folder. I'm not sure what I did there, but yeah, secret folder, and then like just that would be like, so it's secret. And hopefully I'll go over that next video. And I hope you enjoyed and get that this was like an awesome thing, and you should do it probably. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.